Hello everyone. Today I discuss about session. What is session? How can we declare a session? How can we initialize the session variable? So first, what is session? Session is a way to store information to be used across multiple pages. What is session in PHP? When you work with an application, you open it, do some changes and then you close it. This is much like a session. The computer knows who you are. It knows when you start the application and when you end. But on the internet there is one problem. The web server does not know who you are or what you do, because the HTTP address doesn't maintain state. Session variables solve this problem by storing users' information to be used across multiple pages. By default, session variables last until the user closes the browser. So session variables hold information about one single user and are available to all pages in one application. Whenever you want to start a PHP session, first declared session underscore start function. Session variables are set with the PHP global variable $_session. Note that the session underscore start function must be the very first thing in your document before any HTML tags. Let's see with the example. Here I declared two session variables. One is favorite color and second one is favorite animal. I stored red color in favorite color variable and dog in favorite animal. First I start this session underscore start, then display echo session variables are set. Whenever I execute this file, output will be session variables are set. Let's see with the example. Open any editor, give the title. In body tag, I just copy and paste. Set session variable $_session favorite color is equal to red, $_session favorite animal equal to dog, echo session variable are set, and PHP over. First start session, open PHP and PHP, start the session using session underscore start. Save this file in C drive, XAMPP, htdocs. Just create one directory, session, open that directory and give the file name session1.php. Save this file. For execute this, just open XAMPP server, start Apache services, minimize that, open any browser, localhost, then after your directory name session1.php, your file name, click on that file. Put the output session variables are set. Here I displayed this message, session variables are set. So in browser I got the message session variables are set. how does it work, or how does it know it's me, means it's session. Most sessions set a user key on the user's computer that looks something like 32-bit hexadecimal number. Then when a session is opened on another page, it scans the computer for a user key. If there is a match, it accesses that session. If not, then it starts a new session. So session variable is stored in a temporary file match. If this session ID is match, then display that session. Next we see how to get PHP session variable values. For example, first start session, then display your favorite color and favorite animal. Session variable value is displayed, which is set in previous example. So now let's see the output of this file. Copy this code, open a new file, just paste this code, remove this code. Session underscore start is mandatory whenever you used session. Save this file, session directory. If I give the name session2.php, save this file. In PHP, display session variable value. So echo favorite color is which is stored in session variable, which will be accessed using $_session, then your variable value, which is favorite color. Dot br, and second is display favorite animal is favorite animal is variable is here favorite animal. Control C, then Control V, favorite animal. Just save this file, reload this page. You got session2.php. So in session2.php, your favorite color is red and favorite animal is dog, which is already set in your first file. In favorite color you set red and favorite animal you set dog. Let's see the another way to show all the session variable values for a user session is to run the following code. Just session underscore start and display print underscore r $_session, which will display all session variable values. I create a new file, copy this file, new, then paste, remove this code, save this file. For example, I give session3.php, then save file. Here I write print underscore r $_session. which will display all active session variable values. Save this file, open browser, reload session 3.php. Favorite color is red and favorite animal is dog. If you want to modify a PHP session variable, then overwrite that variable. Here I overwrite favorite color. First I store red in favorite color. Now I stored white in my favorite color. Then after I display session, then favorite color value is white and favorite animal is dog. Copy this file, new, paste, just remove this code. Favorite color is white, then display print underscore r dollar underscore session. Save this file, session 4.php. Save this file, reload this page, click on session 4, session 4.php. Now favorite color is white and favorite animal is dog. Whenever you log out your application, then destroy a PHP session. To remove all global session variables and destroy the session, use session underscore unset and session underscore destroy function. For example, session underscore start. For remove all session variables, use session underscore unset, and destroy the session, use session underscore destroy function. Then after display message which will shown on your screen, echo all session variables are now removed and the session is destroyed. Let's see it with example. Copy this code, new file, paste this, remove this code, save this file, session 5.php. remove first, remove all session variables, session underscore unset, and destroy the session. Session underscore destroy. Save this file, display one message, echo all session variables are now removed and session is destroyed. Save this, reload this file, session 5.php. all session variables are now removed and session is destroyed. Now you displayed session, then it will be blank. For example, echo br for new line, then I display print underscore r and dollar underscore session. Save this file, reload this file, you got the blank array. There is nothing in session variable. Here we discuss what is session, how we declare a session variable, how we get the session variable values, how to modify it, how to destroy a PHP session. Thank you.